Hi, and welcome to Anne's Family Recipe. Today I'm sharing with you two of my favorite homemade salad dressings, a balsamic vinaigrette and a creamy Italian dressing. Salad dressings are so easy to make yourself at home. They're cost effective and you can customize the flavors however you like. So today I'm going to share with you my two current favorites. My balsamic vinaigrette starts with half a cup of olive oil, and to that I add a quarter cup of balsamic vinegar. Next, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, which adds great flavor and a little kick, plus it helps emulsify the dressing. So as you whisk it, it helps the oil and vinegar stay together. I also added 2 teaspoons of honey. This helps hold the dressing together as well and also adds a little sweetness. I also added 1 clove of garlic that I just pressed so it was very finely minced. And lastly, I sprinkled in about a quarter teaspoon of salt and a bit of pepper. That is entirely to taste. I whisked this together until it was a smooth, cohesive mixture. For the salad, I found these really delicious and very easy to prepare diced beets in my freezer section at Aldi. So I topped my bed of spinach with the beets, some crumbled goat cheese, and a generous drizzle of the balsamic vinaigrette, and a little extra goat cheese just for good measure at the end. This is a classic balsamic vinaigrette dressing. I think you'll really enjoy it on many different salads. Next up is my husband's and my current favorite salad dressing. I found this recipe on plainchicken.com. It's a creamy Italian dressing. It starts with half a cup of mayonnaise, and then you add a tablespoon of sugar and a tablespoon of red wine vinegar. To thin out the dressing, I added 3 tablespoons of milk, but you can add more or less depending on the consistency you want your dressing to be. Next, I added a teaspoon of dried basil and a teaspoon of dried oregano. You could also just use 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning. I also sprinkled in half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and a pinch of black pepper. And then I whisked everything together to combine. Now this dressing does benefit from sitting in the fridge for a little bit before you use it, just so that all the flavors marry together. It is so good. Super flavorful, really creamy. It tastes like something you get in an Italian restaurant. I just drizzled it over some romaine lettuce and tomatoes, and it was so yummy. You're gonna love this one. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram at Anne's Family Recipe, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked my homemade salad dressing recipes today. Thank you so much for joining me here in my kitchen, and I'll see you again soon with more family recipes.